Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at one of my best builds, I would say. So this is an orange Patriot. So this was built from the frame upwards. Everything's been put on. Let's have a quick look. So the owner before repainted the bike and put some new decals on. The frame is pretty much in immaculate condition. So once again we'll start at the back. We've got the 9-speed XTR rear mech. These have got to be my favourite wheels. We've got some Halo T2s. These were brought from eBay and they come with the combat hubs, so they make a nice clicking noise. So on all my bikes, we're running 160mm disc on the back, and that's a Hope Mini. Bit of a chunkier tyre on this one. So we've got a 2.25, I think it is, on this. And then as we make our way along, we've got a nice saddle which come with a bike. Gone for the blue Hope seat clamp. A nice Manitou shock. And then we've got tensile cranks, which are my favourite. Some nice DMR V6 pedals. These are the plastic ones. And then we're running 42 teeth on the front with a Snell chainring. It's not a bad gear ratio. It's not too hard, not too easy, so it's quite a nice ride on this one. Do get a little bit of chain slap underneath, I've noticed, so need to look into that. So then up to the front, once again, classic FSA headset. And then we've got a nice Hope stem. Some race face bars, a Dior 9-speed shifter, do need to get a head badge on the front just to finish it off. So these forks have got to be the best I've had so far. So these are some RockShox Revolution. I think they're something like 120mm travel, and they're dual air, so you can pump up the top and the bottom to get a nice ride. We've got a lockout button on them. So these forks were originally black, and I've managed to spray them up. Got a really good finish on them. Stickers from eBay weren't the best, but the colours do match the rest of the bike. So on the front of this one, we've got another Halo T2 wheel with a combat hub. On the front, it should be a 180mm disc. We've got to get a little adapter for that. But this is definitely one of my nicer looking bikes, I think. Everything seems to match. We've got a blue quick release on them. So there we go, there's another look at another flying machine in the fleet. So that is an orange Patriot. Very nice to ride, definitely sucks up all the bumps on the trails. Definitely a nice comfy ride. Bars might be a little bit too wide, but they can always be swapped out. Thank you again and hope you enjoyed it.